strawberry lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have 1 pinch of salt, granulated sugar, cherries, strawberries, limes, and of course these are organic limes from my garden. You could use lemons if that's what you have at home. Water and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing lemonade at home. So let's get started. I want to start first by making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, and to this I'm adding 1/2 cup of water. Let's go to the stove and start dissolving the sugar. As you could see on my saucepan, you could see the sugar on the bottom of the saucepan. It takes just a couple minutes. When it starts getting nice and cloudy, that means that the sugar is dissolving, and when the water is really clear, just like this, that means that it's done. Let's take it off the stove and let it cool down, so when we need it, to add it to our lemonade. I want to continue here getting the little sticks off the cherries and just getting them ready so I could rinse them. Look at this. I have my strawberries here. I'm just going to remove this and remove it on every single one so I could go and rinse them through running water. Just like that. Okay, I have my strawberries, my cherries, and my limes. Remember, you could use limes or lemons. I'm going to go ahead and just rinse it completely through running water. And I'm doing the same with the cherries and the strawberries. This step is very important. You need to make sure that you rinse all your veggies or your fruits to make the delicious lemonade. I'm going to start with my limes. I'm going to get the juice of the limes, and as you could see, there is no seeds, and these limes are small, but you know something, they are very juicy. They have a lot of juice in them, and the best thing is that they don't have any seeds. Well, I'm going to continue getting the juice out of these limes one by one until I am completely done. I have about 1 whole cup of lime, and I'm going to reserve it. I have my cherries here, and I want to show you the trick how to get the seed out of the cherry. You get a straw and you just push it in, and look at this. The seed comes right out, and you're not going to get any juice or any pulp out, just the seed. Let me show you one more time. This is the way you remove the seed out of the cherry. You want to make sure that you don't cut it open, or else you lose a lot of the juice or a lot of the pulp. Look at this. Just the seed comes out. I'm going to continue with the rest, doing the same thing. It takes time, but you know something? This is exactly what you want. You just want to get the seed out. Look at this. Okay, let me continue with the rest. Now I am completely done getting all the seeds out of the cherries. And now I am ready to add everything to my NutriBullet. Remember that this NutriBullet, I only use it for my lemonades. I don't use it for any kind of salsas or adobo. I don't want my lemonades to be spicy or have a kick. Now I'm ready to blend it completely. It really doesn't take too long when this is nice and blended. Of course, then I'm going to go ahead and put it through a sifter. I want to make sure that there is no skin in the lemonade of the cherries or seeds of the strawberries. So I always love to just put it through a sifter, move it around, and only get the juice. Because when you prepare this delicious lemonade. You don't want pieces of the cherry or even little seeds of the strawberries. This is exactly what you don't want. Look at this. All the seeds and all the skin of the cherries are left behind. I forgot completely to record when I added the lime, the pinch of salt, and the simple syrup. I'm sorry. But you know something? Remember that the sugar is to taste. I added here the simple syrup, the lime juice, and the pinch of salt. And now this is completely ready. I am ready to get my pitcher ready and add a lot of ice. Here in California, it's nice and hot. And believe me, this lemonade comes out delicious and refreshing. It looks very red. It's a bright red. It just, in person, it looks amazing. I am sure that it's going to taste delicious and be refreshed. Well, here, this is completely done. And of course, I am ready to prepare my glass and enjoy this delicious cherry strawberry lemonade. Done with this delicious cherry strawberry lemonade. This refreshing lemonade is perfect for this hot weather. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And you know something? I wish you were here to taste it with me and refresh yourself like I'm going to refresh myself. You know, the flavor of the cherry and the strawberry, a perfect combination. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try, make it at home, enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video in social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this refreshing and delicious cherry strawberry lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.